我知道大家對我都係有一啲，即係有一啲意見嘅啦，尤其係posture，like 你知我媽成日都話你點解寒背嘅？咁首先咧，我想同你哋講，我有研究過嘅，我以前有睇過一本街戰嘅書，街戰嘅書就話咧，你最好即係最好咧，最好行路嘅時候，將你重量嘅重心咧就偏向前腳掌啊。咁你見我踎低嘅時候，大部分時間都係用前腳掌同埋腳趾去承托自己嘅重量㗎啦。咁係有原因嘅嚇。第二咧就話嚇，點解你成日寒背嘅咧？呢個咧當然有啲功夫佬咧就會話嚇，即係有啲師傅都咁講你身不中不正喎。但係其實我睇過嗰本書咧，嗱嗰本書就冇叫大家寒背嘅，不過佢就話咧你最好將你個頭壓低一啲因為咧人哋要攻擊你條頸咧，你唔好俾人哋咁大嘅目標去攻擊。好啦，咁我再講下咧，摔跤啦。你見啲人摔跤通常咧都係 rounded back 嘅，都唔會係直不甩嘅，知唔知啊？即係你個人而家越低越好啦。就算人哋真係 take down 咧，人哋真係 take down 咧，你都冇咁辛苦啊嘛，係咪？但係如果你個人直不甩嘅話咧，take down 咧就好容易，同埋你嘅傷害會更加大嘅，你受傷更加大。你諗下係呢啲技巧喎，即係人哋 take down 咧，你直不甩咧 take you down 咧，將你抌落地下咧，啲 throws 啲 take down 啫。如果你個人直不甩嘅話咧，係照理上應該痛好多嘅。但係如果你個人個 stance 係低嘅咧，咁你個 stance 要低，你個人梗唔可以直不甩㗎啦，係咪先？我之前亦都有睇過咧，某啲螳螂拳嘅 videos，唔係個個螳螂拳都係咁打啦。當然，螳螂拳同埋詠春有啲功夫人咧，你冇發現佢哋真係駝背㗎嘛？個樣似駝背，係因為實戰咧咁樣先至係好嘅。你直不甩咧，其實實戰係冇乜幫助嘅，即真係冇乜幫助嘅話，就算你 striking 又好 grappling 又好咧，你個人直不甩咧，其實係街戰大忌嚟㗎嘛，你唔知嘅咩？睇書都話街戰你唔可以直不甩㗎啦，係咪先？你直不甩，人哋好容易就可以將你搭低啊、推倒啊之類。尤其係我對戰嗰啲人都係大隻過我、重過我啊嘛。And this is I guarantee you, okay, if I bend my body, you cannot straighten it. Those people have tried, you know, in the armory, they tried to straighten my body, they could not do it. Because every single day I condition my joints and my bones and everything. Once I bend my body, you cannot straighten it. And once I straighten my body, you cannot bend it. What's wrong with me fighting with a rounded back, you know? It's like, oh, you have a hunched back. There's nothing wrong with my posture. You know, in practical fighting, this is the posture that is the ideal posture for fighting. It is. It is the ideal posture for striking for a person my size. Why? 如果你高，你梗係，我直不甩咧，我高咧，人哋咪踢唔到我個頭啦，係咪先？咁咪冇 head kick 咯。但係我咁矮，係人都可以踢到我個頭啦，係咪先？就算我伸直條腰都唔係高好多啫，係咪？咪啊，我伸直腰骨都唔係高好多啫。咁我伸直嚟做咩咧？係咪先？我伸直咗人哋 take down 我，咁咪仲衰係咪先？我都覺得係仲衰喎。I can strike even if I'm hunched over, and I feel nothing. If you feel pain, that's your problem. But I believe this is the ideal stance and posture for me in combat. I don't need to be completely upright. 嗰啲氣功嗰啲人你個身體要中中正正先得嘅。But I disagree. I disagree. 實戰嗰啲摔跤嗰啲個個都應該彎低㗎嘛，係咪先？越低越好㗎嘛。你點會直不甩嘅啫？摔跤啊，直不甩通常都係等你 sprawl 嘅時候先直嘅啫嘛。你 sprawl 你咪直咯，係咪？otherwise 個個都亂攻蝦米㗎啦 supposedly。 我一攣咗咧，冇人咬得直。巴西柔術都係咁樣啦，邊個咬得直我啫？係咪先？我一攣咗咧，佢哋個個都咬我唔直。喺 grapple zone 嘅時候，佢哋係咬得直我啊，係咪？但係而家去到 The Armory，佢哋真係咬我唔直啊嘛，係咪？點咬都咬唔直，點解？因為慣咗啊嘛。我係彎就彎，你咬我唔直係咪？我直嘅時候咧，你又唔可以將我接埋喎，係咪？我一直不甩咧，佢哋係接我唔埋喎，咪就係咯。唔信都要信啦，咪先？我講真嗰句 ，I think I'm really practical. Even my stance and posture, they are practical. They are practical. I do things for a reason. Yes, I do. I do everything for a reason. I can explain my stance and posture to you. There is nothing wrong with my posture. Many martial artists actually don't fight with a straight back. 但係有啲功夫人咧，佢哋就話正宗功夫一定要係直不甩嘅。我話邊處係啫？喂，你可以咁講嘅嘛？performance 咪正宗啦，係咪？咁唔打得啊嘛，係咪先？睇得唔打得啊嘛？邊有可能直不甩嘅啫？我話你都戇居嘅，係咪先？你直不甩係攞嚟表演嘅，因為好睇啲嚇。直不甩係好睇啲係咪？但係唔好打啊嘛。